Look at yourself in the mirror, anak ah. How is your nose? How is your nose? Look at yourself in the mirror ah. In the mirror. How? Sige nga. You look at yourself in the mirror na.
Bothered by the lower part of your hair, really starts grabbing it. This part gets older. You don't know conditioners, there's the lower part.
Pangit. Again. Let me see your nose. Let me see your nose.
Malagay bawat sandali tayo
Subsub baboy.
Walang kapalit ang sarap at
Ice cream. Subsub baboy, ma. Subsub baboy.